At a time when cost is king and the cheapest tool wins, we had to ask, where does quality fit in?
I'm looking for something with some quality in it. I don't want something that's cheap, something that's going to break. I want to be able to use it and keep it for a while. And I'm going to go wherever I need to go to, whatever store that may be, to get that quality knife.
How is a cheaper tool different?
So these two products, I actually found these in a big box store. But if it was a hardware store, your local hardware store, it would be the same way. One's stiff and one's supposed to be flexible. But when you feel them, they're very similar. And when you measure them with a mic, there's no difference between the two. Somebody at the end of the line in a manufacturing facility is deciding this one feels stiff, this one feels like a flex, and putting them in two different boxes with two different labels on them. Well, this is actually something you'd use in a corner. You're supposed to be able to bend it and have a flex point, and then you pick it up and it doesn't keep a set, it's still flat. Here's what you get from a lot of the private label that's out there. You basically could take this with your hand and do this. You actually see that it's bent. I mean, it's not supposed to keep a bend like that. You're not going to find that in a Hyde tool. This is made for the pro.
What makes the difference?
We've been making tools since 1875. The market pressure is for us to lower the cost of our product. In order to do that, we have to lower the quality, and that's not what we were willing to do.
You've got to start with the right steel first. From there, you have to know how to heat treat and temper the steel correctly. After that, you've got to know how to grind it. You've got to know how to polish it and lacquer it so that it lasts forever. I mean, we've been doing this so long that we worked on this together with the people that actually came up with the drywall, with the people that came up with the paints that this is going to be used on. We put a lot of time and effort into it, and that's why we can say this is a guaranteed for life tool. And it is. This is our black and silver line, and we guarantee it forever.
Absolutely. I think you can always tell the difference between junk and quality. At least I can in my line of work. Even the regular DIY guy can tell the difference between quality and junk.
This is 140 years worth of experience, and we still do it the right way.
Hyde, still doing it right since 1875.